In this part of the journey, we travel from Albany via Denmark to the Valley of the Giants, then to the beautiful D'Entrecasteaux National Park, continuing to Hamelin Bay, and finally to Margaret River. Our almost 500 kilometers long tour starts in the Valley of the Giants. This is an iconic region on the south coast of Western Australia between Denmark and Walpole. The Valley of the Giants is a magical destination for nature lovers and adventurers alike. The area is world famous for the treetop walk. Famous for its towering kauri and tingle trees, this ancient forest offers a unique experience of walking among the treetops, along with plenty of opportunities to explore the lush, biodiverse environment beyond. The Valley of the Giants is a must-visit destination and a discovery what lies beyond in this breathtaking natural wonder. The Treetop Walk is a star attraction, providing visitors with a unique perspective of the giant tingle trees that dominate the landscape. Suspended 40 meters above the forest floor, some trees are reaching heights of 75 meters. This 600-meter-long elevated walkway takes you on a serene journey through the canopy of the ancient tingle and kauri trees, offering stunning views of the forest from above. Visit early in the morning or late afternoon for a quieter experience and the chance to see wildlife like birds and possums in the treetops. In this video part, you see our drone flying through that shark mouth-looking rock named the Nature's Window at Point d'Entrecasteaux. The point was named after the French Admiral Bruni d'Entrecasteaux, who was the first European to sight the area, and gave it in 1902 its current name, Point d'Entrecasteaux. The area has remained remote and has changed little since. D'Entrecasteaux National Park is an important conservation area of wild, pristine beauty, blessed with white beaches, rugged coastal cliffs, and towering kauri forests. The park is rich in plants, mosses, and lichens, and is home to many native animals. Look out for woylies, quokkas, chuditch, possums, wallabies, and bandicoots. Windy Harbor and Salmon Beach are the only coastal locations in the area accessible by two-wheel drive vehicles. Make sure to collect your food and camping supplies in the town before heading to the coast. Salmon Beach offers several activities to ensure a memorable visit. Take a pleasant, scenic drive to the lighthouse on the edge of the harbor for exceptional panoramic views of the coastline. Cast a reel into the ocean from Salmon Beach and camp overnight at Windy Harbor. The Prevelly Rock Pools offer an incredible escape, perfect for a day of relaxation and swimming in the calm and crystal clear water. Sheltered by impressive granite rocks, this picturesque bay offers tranquility, ideal for families and snorkelers looking to discover the vibrant underwater life among the rocks. The characteristic natural rock formations create multiple shallow pools, ideal for young children, while rock hopping adventures appeal to slightly older visitors. Here you can enjoy the beautiful coastal scenery. The pools offer a peaceful and scenic escape for visitors who want to relax by the water. The Prevelly Rock Pools are often less crowded than other tourist spots, making it feel like your own private paradise. This is a great location for those looking for a quieter, more secluded spot to enjoy the natural beauty of the Margaret River region. Whether you come to swim or simply to relax, this hidden gem is certainly worth adding to your list of things to do in Margaret River.